So renting a property in Las Vegas can be exciting. For those just starting out, the process of buying your first rental property can seem intimidating and overwhelming. For starters, you need to research, what kind of properties are available on the market and decide which one is right for you. You'll also want to consider your budget and how much money you're willing to spend, the down payment, closing costs. Fortunately, there are ways to purchase a rental property even if you don't have much money saved up. One option is to look into government-backed mortgage programs that could provide favorable terms or interest rates than conventional loan. Additionally, some lenders may offer special financing options specifically designed for people who may not qualify for traditional mortgages due to a lower credit score or limited amount of income streams. Once you found the right loan product and secured financing, it's time to start looking at a potential rental property in Las Vegas. When shopping around, I like to, make sure to carefully inspect the house before making any offer. This includes checking out both interior and exterior features like roofing conditions, appliances, age condition, as well as structural elements like foundation, stability, or plumbing systems, stuff like that. Make sure all these components meet city codes before deciding whether it's worth investing in. Lastly, don't forget about researching local laws regarding renting. Familiarize yourself with rules such as tenant screening processes or leasing agreements that everything goes smoothly once tenants move in. Or if you want to go the easy route like I do, I just hire a property manager. So congratulations, officially become an investor owning your first rental property in Las Vegas. So let me know if this helps and comment below if you have any questions about what we just talked about. Of course, follow for more for my real estate tips. I'm Dallas Tung with the Tung Realty Group here in Las Vegas. And of course, again, thanks for watching.